A marker. Ready and action!
She's had a bad day this year. This character.
No,
And it's gonna get worse.
no, because she's trying to do good.
Ready and action, Andy. And action, Leatherface. Yeah, cut. There were some beautiful moments.
That's a cut!
Now we got a light.
Boom! That's it. Mark it. Marker.
And settle. Action.
What the hell are you doing in my house?
Where's Kevin?
You ain't running things, boy. Shut your mouth.
Alright, take it easy, right? We're just looking for our friend.
You little turd. You're so dead you don't even know it.
Now,
Bring it, boy. Come on, bring it.
You got it?
go a little bit closer, a little bit
Speed.
closer. Good.
Set. Ready, Jeff?
Yeah.
And action.
And more abrupt. Look down again.
Okay.
Ready?
Set.
Hang on one second,
And,
gotta turn them a little bit this way.
and
Here we go, ready?
action.
And turn around. And then
Marcus,
Yeah.
where do you want old Monty to be? Right here?
He will be. He comes out of the door like you always.
I'm starting to really get lost. That's trying to remember my path to keep continuity is going to be amazing.
Ready.
White, please.
Action.
Cut. And action. Cut it. Cut. Ready and action. Ready and action. Cut.
Very nice.
That was really right into the
Go.
Fun doing it.
Hey, buddy, is this the Crawford mill?
I used to play with my friend Billy, but he died.
Well, what's your name?
Action.
I wish this day never happened.
So you feel alright?
Don't ever sneak up on people like that.
Is it true? Your friend's gonna have a baby?
You know, why don't you get the hell out of here?
You're not just saying that?
No. I swear, I like them. Thank you.
Hey, you wanna see the rest of them I done?
Sure. Don't we?
Come on.
Oh, of course, yes, we do. Where'd that go? Come on.
A marker.
B mark.
And frame a little bit more to the right on A camera and good. That's too much. A little bit back. And action, camper.
This is the Crawford mill, right?
I used to play with my friend Billy, but he died.
Say one more time, I used to play here with my friend Billy, right?
Marker.
And we are set. And action.
This is the Crawford Mill, right?
I used to play with my friend Billy, but he died.
What's your name?
I'm sorry, I'll talk now.
Where?
Action.
Home, getting drunk.
And one more time.
Where?
Home, getting drunk.
I'm sorry, but looking towards camera, okay? One more time, ready? Turn away from camera and then turn towards the way you see it. And action.
Home, getting drunk.
Cool. All right, let's split.
Does he live around here?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I got a second team. I'm bringing them all in now.
Tell her not to be
You're coming around here, and people will have to step around, you know. On the dirt side of the lake.
Nobody else is on.
And action.
Hey, let me see that. Oh, I would be careful. This is very good.
Oh, you jerk.
Let me see that. Let me see that. Oh, I would be careful.
That is like so cool.
Yeah.
Please don't do that right before the scene because it's gonna stress me out.
Do you hear that?
Don't make it stress me out.
On!
Help! You get this. Where's the gun? What's the sheriff took it? Help!
Lights!
Aaron, calm down. What's going on?
Push in again. Marker. Play. And action.
Come on! Come on! Ah! Oh God! Oh thank God! Oh God! I need your help right now, my friend. My
Shut
friend
up!
is gone.
Shut up!
Somebody want to explain this to me? Get out! Get out of that van! Get over it! Get out of there! Move it! Get out! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get over here! Get on the ground! Get on your face!
Good. Very nice. Good. Excellent. Let's bring the.
Oh thank God! Oh thank God!
Take it
Oh,
easy.
please, my friend needs help. Please, I don't know where he is.
Just take it
He's
easy.
just over.
Take a deep
back
breath.
there.
Lean back. Take a deep breath. Take it easy now.
And cut. Fantastic. And that's a cut. Got one more time on this.